If you have an Excel file with data and you want to scroll either vertically or horizontally, and you still want to keep the headings or something in the columns that you want to be able to see at all time, and you don't know how to, then this video is for you. You will use a tool called Freeze Panes, and you find it here in the View tab in the ribbon. Here to the right you have Freeze Panes. You have three different options. If we start from the bottom, the freeze first column means that if you scroll horizontally, you will still see the first column, the A column, and the second option, freeze top row, means that you freeze the top row. So if I press on this one, you can see that the row 1 will always be visible when I scroll up and down. To remove this freeze panes, you go back to freeze panes, press on the top option. And now let's talk about the first option here, freeze panes. That means that you freeze all the rows that's above and all the columns that's left to the cell that you select at the moment. So if I were to select B3, that means that row 1 and 2 will freeze and column A will freeze. So let's go to the tool and freeze them. And now when we scroll, you'll see that row 1 and 2 will always be visible. And also if I go to the right, you see that column A will also always be visible. And that is how you freeze multiple rows in Excel.